Hey guys, my name is Nubia and I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do this week's homework. So the first thing we're going to do is import turtle so we can use turtle and all of its methods. Next, we're going to create our turtle. So I'm going to call mine shape. We're going to be drawing shapes today. That'll be lowercase turtle dot uppercase turtle with parentheses. Now that we have our turtle, we're going to create a few variables. So the first variable I want is color. And if we remember, color is a string data type. So when I create my variable color, I want to name it something that's easy to understand. So make sure your variable name is descriptive, and just convention for name is lowercase letters. Could even do an underscore, but I'm just going to say color. And in order to make it a string, I'm going to use my quotation marks, and I'm going to set my color to yellow. And then we're going to use the dot color method in order to set our turtle's color to our variable, which we had just created. So shape.color is going to take the input color. Next, we're going to create a couple more variables for length, which I will set to 100. Again, make sure your variable names are descriptive, and length takes an input of an integer. So I use the integer 100. And then same thing with angle. I will be setting my angle to a number. Now that we have all of the variables, we're going to draw our shape. So in order to draw a triangle, it's got 3 sides. So first we're going to draw a straight line of the length that we created. So shape forward, and we're going to set the input to the length, which we set to 100. You could set it to whatever you want. Next, we're going to make the point of the triangle, so we need to turn right by the angle that we set. Since it's a triangle, we need to do this 3 times, so I'm just going to copy paste. This will be side number 2 and side number. Now we're going to run the code to see where we're at. All right, next we're going to use the input function so we can type in the color that we want. So I'm just going to use comments to make my code readable. All right, so we want to change color. So we're going to assign color to our user input. So using input, and I'm going to create a string prompt. I'm just going to say color name with, and this will print to the console color name, and then the user can input their color. And then we want to set the turtle's color to our new color. All right, now that we have our new color set, we want to draw our triangle. So all I'm going to do is take this triangle up here and just bring it down here. And now this should be complete. So let's run it. Here we have our yellow triangle, and then over here in the console, it's going to ask for a color name. I will say red, and now we have a red triangle. If I run it again, yellow triangle, and then ask for a color name, let's do pink, have pink triangle. And that's how you do this week's homework.